Hello everyone, welcome to System of Rules. Today we are going to discuss section 41 to 50 of the IPC. Moving on to the section 41. Section 41 means special law. According to section 41 of the IPC, a special law means is a law applicable to a particular subject. 42. Local law. A local law means it is a law applicable only to a particular part of India. Section 43 describing about illegal, legally bound to do. According to section 43, the word illegal is applicable to everything which is an offence or which is prohibited by law or which furnish ground for a civil action, and a person is said to be legally bound to do whatever it is legally in him to omit. Section 44 dealing with injury, that is, the word injury denotes any harm whatsoever illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation or property. Section 45, that is life. The word life denotes the life of a human being unless the contrary appears from the context. Section 46, that is the word death. 46 is defining about death. Death denotes the word death denotes the death of a human being unless the contrary appears from the context. Moving on to section 47, that is animal. The word animal denotes any living creature other than a human being. Section 48, vessel. The word vessel denotes anything made for the convenience by water of human beings or of property. Moving on to section 49, that is year, month. According to section 49 of IPC, wherever the word year or the word month is used, it is to be understood that the year or the month is to be reckoned according to the British calendar. Section 50, that is session. Section. According to section 50 of the IPC, the word section denotes one of those portions of a chapter of this code which are distinguished by prefixed numerical figures. Thank you so much for watching. In our next class, we will discuss section 51 to 60 of the IPC.